Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphilayo. Bengizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke mawusamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile laphana-ke ucindezeleke ibhathini subscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke kwenza ukwazi ukuthi nezinye iy'ndaba ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngilethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. So ongakwenza-ke nje lapho usuke ucindezeleke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke ukuze lezi ndaba-ke zingakuphuthi-ke. Udaba akulethele lona namhlanje uthi MK President Jacob Zuma useqoke uMagasela Mzobe ukuthi-ke abe yi-Head of Presidency eqenjini-ke lomkhonto wesizwe. Uzolekelela uPresident Jacob Zuma kuma-responsibility akhe eqembu. UMzobe wasula eqenjini le-ANC ngo-Okthoba last year wajoyina iqembu le-EFF. Le ncwadi ekhishwe uJacob Zuma makufundela-ke ibibhalwe ukuthi-ke Media Statement, date 10/07/2024. The President Jacob Zuma has appointed Comrade Magasela Mzobe as head of the presidency. The President of Umkhonto weSizwe Party, President Jacob Zuma, has appointed Comrade Magasela Mzobe as head of the presidency effective immediately. Comrade Magasela will be instrumental in supporting the president in executing his duties and responsibilities. This appointment is also aimed to enhancing the effectiveness of the presidency and to strengthen the organization as a whole. We wish to congratulate Comrade Magasela on his appointment and wish him well as he picks up the spear to assume his responsibilities. Gwaza Mkhonto, Inquiries, Nhlamulo Ndlela, Head Media and Communications. So nami ngicela kula phansi nama-comment section-ke for ubhale ukuthi wena ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke masicinza nebhathini nje subscribe nje akubiza imali kumahhala nje akukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke kwenza ukwazi ukuthi nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje ngizobe ngilethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli kusukela-ke manje.